So let me show you one thing before I'll welcome everybody here. But we were talking about Vite, the bundler versus parcel. In my okay, so this is a site that I'm working on for a client, and I have an extension inside of VS Code called Console Ninja. So Console Ninja is it puts it puts console log and runtime errors right next to your code. So it does it a couple ways. First of all, there's an output screen that you can have up that shows you every one of your console logs in your system and what value they return. But it also will, if I can find that,
Mhm.
console.log,
Line 14, I guess.
line 14. Oh,
Oh, it was already. Okay. Now it's
no,
gone.
well, yeah, I just so there it is. Every time I run this, I get the console right here.
Mm.
I get the value right here next to the actual variable. So I don't have to look in the inspector of the web viewer to find the consoles. This is working because this is a full React Next.js project, but it's using this Console Ninja. Console Ninja works with Vite as a bundler, but it doesn't work with Parcel as a bundler. So I can't use this plugin. I can't use this plugin in the development environment because I'm using Parcel as its bundler. If I were to switch to Vite, then this would be a valuable tool to use. So I'm thinking about that, but I really love this, and I miss it when I'm doing web development. I use this all the time, and then when I'm doing FileMaker JavaScript development in the JS Dev environment, I miss this, and then I have to resort to old ways to look at the consoles errors. So that's it. That's the only advantage that I see. So at the moment. So
Yeah,
uh
the other thing that I've heard about the difference between Parcel and Veed is that in Parcel you have the possibility to implement or to include the assets, the pictures, for instance, directly into the code, so that you have one single file with the pictures. And
mhm.
in Veed, it is not so easy, or it's not possible at the moment. So you have separate files, separate image files that you must include or provide with the HTML code.
I think that can be handled with the data URL.
In
Josh,
CSS code.
yeah, in VS, yeah, I think Vite and Parcel, they use the same data URL for an image to
Hmm.
bundle it up. Josh Willing, who's a member here, he uses Vite, and we were talking about it one day, and he tested his Vite version of the development environment and found that using a data URL, wrapping that around an image path would
Hmm.
bring it in just correctly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is
it
the
does that
trick.
automatic base 64 encoding of it so that it inlines it. So yeah, you don't know, which is for FileMaker is what we want. We don't want to have to then go in and replace those assets with like container fields or something.
Yeah.